Okay, so this is a little bit too loose, that chain. It needs a bit of tensioning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it up and down. And this is my baseline. I can feel the resistance that's normally needed to move the chain. Okay, and that's it basically. So I'm gonna use whatever I have here. So here I've got the simple kind of a mechanism. I just pull it once, okay, and now this is pretty taut, so I can still move it a bit. It still moves up and down. By the way, I should have removed the battery. I can still move it up and down easily. Okay, so basically this is it. That's how you adjust the tension of a chain. Let's tighten this up. Test. Sounds good, looks good. Job done.